The life of dreams is moving faster, and no one knows the constant fear of what comes after. We'll never know. It's weighing me down, got my feet on the ground. Let's hide away from the lights and run away from the night. Let's run away.
Hey guys, so we're finally back out at St. Andrews. I finally pulled out one of my favorite toys, which is the Wake 444. So it's been about a year since I had this boat, and there's a lot of pros and cons on the boat. I mean, I like it, but there's a lot of things that need to be reworked, and I don't know if it's the manufacturer issue or an installation issue, but like it tends, and I'm not the only one having the issue. I got a buddy of mine that lives down in Tampa that's having the same issue of the jet ski getting stuck in the craft. So besides that, it's very practical. The 444 is really practical. It's small, it's easy to tow. You can actually tow it with a small car. So the issue is that apparently whenever they put in these rails, they place them in an angle so they torque the rails of the jet ski, so it don't let the jet ski back out as easy as a show. Besides that, the rubbers are not touching the hull of the ski, so it creates drag while you're riding down the river or down the lake or down the whatever it is that you're riding. So that's the issue with this. But besides that, it's a very fun craft. It's great for the family. You can fish. You can have kids playing inside of it. It's a very versatile craft. But the only issue that I have with it is the fact that these railing systems are not placed where it needs to be.
Those hands and lights can't stop me. I'll just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from the sky. Now with you, now with you, I'm with you. This high.
There's a what? Oh, really? Just put it back in the... Ponlo en el agua porque se va a morir.
No, pero llévalo a su sitio.
Those hands and lights can't stop me. I'll just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from the sky. Along with you, along with you.
Thank you for watching. Catch you next time.
I can't give up.